You go.
You got a lot of faith in that tree.
I don't have a lot of faith in this. I can tell you that right now.
Why?
Because it's nothing holding it up. A couple pieces of sod. That's it.
Oh, I think I'm supposed to go up. Don't you?
Yeah, it sure looks like it. That looks sketchy as fuck.
Yeah, definitely supposed to go up.
Definitely supposed to go up? Okay, we're up. Is there something to hold over there?
Yeah, wrong. See the wrong?
Not yet. Now I do. Now I do.
Wow.
I wish there was